Samsung's upcoming Galaxy A36 is making waves even before its official launch, and the latest leaks have only fueled the excitement. With leaked renders giving us a clear look at its design, the A36 is shaping up to be a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. Sporting a flat 6.64-inch display with a centrally placed hole-punch selfie camera, the device follows Samsung's modern design language. The rear panel showcases a sleek triple-camera setup positioned vertically on the top left corner, resembling the premium S-series aesthetic. Samsung seems to be sticking to a minimalist yet stylish approach, ensuring the A36 looks and feels premium despite its budget-friendly positioning. The device is also rumored to measure 162.5 x 77.9 x 7.4 millimeters, keeping it slim and comfortable to hold. One of the biggest highlights of the Galaxy A36 is its rumored chipset. If leaks hold true, Samsung could be powering this device with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, promising faster speeds, better efficiency, and smoother multitasking compared to its predecessor. While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed this, it aligns with their trend of optimizing performance in mid-range devices. Paired with at least 6 gigabytes of RAM, the A36 is expected to deliver solid, everyday performance, whether you're browsing, gaming, or multitasking between apps. On the software side, it's reported to ship with Android 15 right out of the box, topped with Samsung's latest One UI 7.0. This means users can expect enhanced system animations, improved battery optimizations, and a host of new AI-powered features that Samsung is rumored to be integrating into its 2025 lineup. Now, let's talk about cameras. The triple camera setup on the back is expected to consist of a high-resolution primary sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and either a macro or depth sensor. While specific details haven't been leaked yet, Samsung's A-series phones typically feature strong camera performance for their price point. Night photography is expected to see improvements with better low-light processing, making shots clearer even in challenging lighting conditions. Samsung may also introduce AI-enhanced image processing similar to what we've seen on their flagship S-series, allowing for crisper and more detailed images. Battery life is another key factor. The Galaxy A36 is expected to house a 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage without breaking a sweat. With Samsung's focus on software efficiency in One UI 7.0, users might see even better power management, extending battery life further. Fast charging support is also likely, though we'll have to wait for official confirmation on the exact wattage. One of the most anticipated aspects of the A36 is its price-to-performance ratio. If Samsung maintains its pricing strategy, the A36 could be an excellent deal for those looking for a balance of affordability and performance. The A35 already offers a great value proposition, and the A36 is expected to improve upon that without a significant price hike. However, if you're in urgent need of a phone, grabbing an A35 at a discounted rate might still be a wise decision. Samsung's release schedule suggests that the A36 could hit the market by early 2025, meaning a short wait for those who want the latest model. For those wondering about color options, leaks indicate that the Galaxy A36 will come in black, green, white, and a unique bluish-pink variant, giving buyers a mix of classic and vibrant choices. This variety ensures that there's a color for everyone, whether you prefer a sleek professional look or something more eye-catching. The launch timeline for the Galaxy A36 seems to align with Samsung's usual mid-range release schedule. If history is any indication, we might see an official unveiling as early as March 2025. And here's something even more interesting. Rumors suggest that Samsung might launch the Galaxy A36 alongside the Galaxy F56, giving consumers multiple options in the mid-range category. This could make for an exciting comparison as both devices are expected to offer competitive features at their respective price points. Now, should you wait for the Galaxy A36? If you're using an older A-series model like the A32, a 33, or even a 34, then waiting for the A36 makes sense as it will bring a noticeable improvement in performance, design, and software longevity. However, if you own the A35, the upgrade might not be massive unless you're specifically looking for the latest features and extended software support. Samsung's promise of long-term updates means that the A36 will likely receive 4 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patches, ensuring longevity for users who don't switch phones frequently. With all these leaks, Samsung fans have plenty to look forward to. Whether it's the improved chipset, the refined design, or the longer-lasting software support, the Galaxy A36 is shaping up to be a worthy addition to Samsung's mid-range lineup. If you're excited about the launch, stay tuned as more leaks and details are bound to surface in the coming weeks. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy A36. Are you planning to upgrade? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for the latest tech updates, and hit the notification bell so you never missed out on upcoming smartphone news. See you in the next one.